Oh, he is not happy. He is not pleased. Good gravy. Oh, oh, you guys. Oh, oh my gosh, you guys. The guy in the kayak approves. We got one nice big mullet for cut bait. Yep, come here. Ah. Guys, what is up, my fishing friends? Welcome back to the Wade Fishing Experience. My name is Matt, and I appreciate y'all tuning in today. In this episode, which was actually filmed over 2 days, which I don't normally do, I'm fishing the same area around a creek on a flat. And the first day I'm using artificials, and the second day I'm gonna use cut bait. Get different results, y'all. Definitely different results, but I figured it was worthwhile to, you know, show 2 days of this same area, just given that the fishing has been a little tough lately. I haven't got on a very consistent bite on the flats, and yeah, it just shows that, you know, not all days, not all fishing trips are winners. You know, you catch one fish here, one fish there, it's a decent trip, but some days, you know, you got to string together a couple days worth of catching to get enough content for a video, and in this case, that is what happened, y'all. So hope y'all enjoy, stay tuned, and we're gonna get to the fishing. Alrighty, my friends, here's what I am working with today. The Salt Strong Slam Shady Bomber. I love this paddle tail, great search bait, nice big paddle tail for this time of year. I think it's a 5-inch paddle tail. I've got that on a 4/0 grip pin hook. It's a Mustad, and I'm just running a 20-pound fluorocarbon. I've got the Fenwick HMG Inshore medium light rod. That's a 7/6 rod, and I've got the Quantum Smoke Inshore 30 spooled with 10-pound PowerPro braid. That is the setup for today, y'all. There's that snook again. Oh, that's a Mac Daddy, y'all. That is a Mac Daddy. Mac Daddy. Mac Daddy. I mean, it had to go right past his face. Right here. Oh, oh, you guys. Oh, oh my gosh, you guys. No freaking way. No freaking way. He was on it. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh, my heart's a beating. All right, well, we finally got some bait activity. We got some mullet as we get closer to the creek here. So I'm gonna make some casts into this mullet school and just work around this flat a little bit where there is some definition in the sand and the grass, some potholes. That might have been a red right there. All right, so we got some activity. That's never a bad thing. Ooh, just got hit, y'all. Dang it, dang it, dang it, dang it, dang it. Yep, just got popped. All right. So there are some reds sitting with these mullet. There we go. There's a fish, y'all. There we go. Redfish for sure. All right. Getting us on the board here. Oh yeah. Decent fish. Decent fish, y'all. Yeah, it's a red. 100%. Nice fish. tighten up just a little here. Yeah, he hammered this thing, man. Just hammered it. Oh yeah. Nice slot fish. We may keep a fish today, but we're gonna do it later if we do. Yeah, here we go, y'all. Easy, boss. Easy, boss. Easy, boss. Yep, I gotcha. Don't worry. Your lucky day today, because I'm gonna let you go. The guy in the kayak approves. But yeah, nice red there, y'all. He's probably 22 incher. Double spot, single spot on that side. Yep, the Slam Shady bomber, y'all, doing the trick. Great search bait, great paddle tail, but I'm pretty sure there's some more reds sitting right out here. So we're gonna get this guy back, and we're gonna try to get another one. Let's get one last look at this guy, and yeah, let's get a release on him, y'all. He is much ready, very much ready. All right, there you go, bud. See if we can't get another redfish right here. And I'm just slow rolling this paddle tail, basically just retrieving it at a steady pace, and every once in a while give it a couple pops. What you can also do is just let it stop completely, and then just kind of speed up your retrieve to get it going again. Sometimes that will drive the fish absolutely crazy. There he goes. Nice red. See if we can sight cast this one. Oh, I just didn't get in front of him. Dang it, y'all. Oh, dang it. Y'all check this out. We got a manatee right here. Just chilling. Buddy, what are you doing? You coming to say hello? Well, we got one. That's gonna be good for now, y'all. We got one. Nice big mullet for cut bait. All right, we got lucky on that one, y'all. We got enough bait for today. Got enough bait for today. All right. We got two really nice size mullet to chop up. So let's just get them going here. And two. All right, we got bait, y'all. We got bait. I think we're on. I was changing the battery of the GoPro and we got picked up. Oh yeah, we're on. We're on with a nice fish. Oh, we got a screamer, y'all. Oh, we got a screamer. I think this is a nice red. Dadgummit, y'all. I was changing the freaking battery and I had the, so when I do that, I try to put the rod holder or the rod in my belt, use it as a rod holder, and it just started going, and I was like, what? It never fails. It's like every freaking time. But this feels like a good fish. Here he is. Yes, sir. Oh, I think we got a shark, y'all. I do believe we got a shark. Yeah, we got a shark. No wonder he was screaming like that around. Holy moly. All right. We'll let him tire himself out. He's still a little green. Hopefully we won't have to take him back to shore. This is a nice one, y'all. This is a nice one. Nice bonnet head. Woo! Woo-wee! He's got to be about wore out. Dadgum, y'all. Yeah, this is a really nice bonnet. This is going to be a bit dicey. Easy, boss. Easy, boss. All right. Just don't come at me here. Oh, oh, he's gone again. Thought we had him corralled. Come on, buddy. Easy. Oh, we just missed the net. Just missed the net job, y'all. Man, this thing is nice. I mean, a freaking just nice bonnet head. Come here, buddy. Yep, come here. Ah. Guys. There he is. Whew. Holy moly, y'all. That's a freaking stud bonnet head. I mean, that thing is 8-pounder for sure. Oh my gosh. Let's see where he's hooked. Oh crap. Shoot, 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 shoot. No good. No good, y'all. No good. No good. All right, let's see if we can do this again. Dang it. Dang it, dang it, dang it. There he goes. Okay, that was easier. Whew. Golly geez, y'all. That was wild. Redfish right in front of me, y'all. Boom, there he goes. And I'm getting bit. Yep, I think we got something small. Oh no, we missed him. That was funny. But yeah, that redfish was right there in front of me, man. Just happy, chilling, feeding. All right, we're getting messed with small stuff. Catfish is chewing this up, so I'm gonna move on a little bit here. Yeah, we just got picked up. Something small. There we go, y'all. Maybe not small. Ooh, maybe not small. There we go, something. What did we get into, y'all? Is this our redfish? Or is this our catfish? It doesn't really feel like a cat. It might be though. Catfish. Daggum stinking catfish. Okay. Not what we're looking for, y'all. Stinking catfish, y'all. Dang thing. Yeet. Oh yeah, he just about came right back on me. Ugh, I hate catfish. Yeah, stupid catfish. Dadgummit. Ugh. Come here. Oh, that's a shark. It's a shark, y'all. Not a catfish. another sharky. We'll get the net out for him. Not as big as the first one, but not bad. Not a bad bonnet, y'all. He's not ready yet. Yeah, he just wasn't fighting at first, and I was like, stupid catfish, and I started to muscle him in. And then once he got a little closer, I could see him, and I was like, oh no, it's a nice shark. All right, see if he's green enough to get in the net here. No, the answer is no. Man, those things are powerful. Just a powerful animal. Come here, bud. Come here. Let's get a look at you. There he is, y'all. Yeah. Oh, he is not happy. He is not pleased. Good gravy. You guys, this guy's freaking out. Holy moly. Easy, bud. Easy, bud. Easy, buddy. My gosh. All right. Easy, bud. All right, let's get a look at this guy. Alrighty, y'all. There's the bonnet head. Fortunately, he swallowed that jig, so we had to cut the line. But yeah, not as big as that first one, but definitely a decent one. Yeah, I'm just gonna have to eat this guy. He is ready. Easy, buddy. All right, well, there he goes. Whew, a little excitement there, y'all. Alrighty, my friends, that's gonna be a wrap on this episode. Appreciate y'all tuning in. Yeah, I had to string together a couple days worth of fishing to get enough fish to make a video, but yeah, the bite has been a little slow, my friends. How are y'all doing out there as we transition into summer? The flats are definitely changing in the bay in terms of what's going on with the fish patterns. So don't have it dialed in right now. I need to get out closer to some of the passes and do some fishing, maybe even some beach fishing. So comment below if you'd like to see some beach fishing action, y'all. But yeah, all in all, not a bad day, not a bad 2 days worth of fishing with a couple sharks, a couple freaking catfish, of course, and one really nice redfish on artificial, y'all. So we'll take that and look to do better next time. Thanks for tuning in. We will see you next time on the Wade Fishing Experience.